Welcome to the fascinating world of robotics, where ingenuity and technology intertwine to create the future. Did you know that robots have been on Mars for over 15 years, exploring the unknown and paving the way for future scientific discoveries? It's been possible because researchers invested their time and money on robotics. So to inherit the same mindset, Kushogram Malik, who is the owner of Robonence Company, is doing the same task to train students and professionals in the robotics field and making Indian students future bright. In this mission, he visited Sri Sai Public School of Dolorda and set up a robotic lab. To inaugurate the robotics lab, ex-MLA Shri Yashpal Singh Sisodia was invited. Mr. Kushogram Malik welcomed them and explained about the robotic lab that he set up. He explained guests about the sound-sensitive robots that are sensitive to sound, obstacle resistance robots that automatically avoids obstacles, mini drones and laser 3D printer that prints 3D objects as printouts. Not only this, he also motivated and explained about the robotics lab to the students. His speech motivated students to learn more about robotics. Robonence also provides complete kits for students and professionals to learn more about robotics. From electronic toolbox, autocon, drones to remocon. They have lots of products available on their site as well. Robotics has the potential to solve some of the world's most pressing challenges, including climate change, resource depletion, and access to healthcare. By 2030, it is estimated that there will be over 14 million robots working alongside humans in the workforce, and entrepreneurs like Kushogram Malik are the ones who will make sure these revolutionary works are being done by the Indians by training them. So don't wait and buy the kit now and make this world a better place.